In this video, I'm showing you how to change Siri's voice from male to female in iOS 27 on your iPhone. Apple lets you choose from multiple male and female voice options across different regional accents, so you can pick the Siri voice you like best. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap Siri. Now, tap Siri Voice. At the top of the screen, choose your preferred accent, such as American, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, or South African. Below that, you'll see several voice options, such as Voice 1, Voice 2, Voice 3, and more. Tap each voice, and Siri plays a short sample so you can hear how it sounds. Simply choose the female voice you prefer, and your selection is saved automatically. That's all it takes to change Siri's voice from male to female in iOS 27. If you also want to learn how to customize Siri's voice with the new settings available in iOS 27, be sure to watch my next video linked on the end screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.